Let's learn how to change your YouTube profile picture. It's really simple, and I'll show you how to do it in just a few steps. If you want to learn this, stay until the end of the video. The first thing you need to do is make sure your YouTube app is up to date. You can check this by going to the App Store. Once there, click on the search option located at the bottom right. When the search page opens, type YouTube in the search bar. If the blue button next to YouTube says Open, you have the latest version. If it says Update, click the blue button and wait a bit. Once you're sure your YouTube app is updated, open it by clicking the Open button and make sure you are logged into the correct account where you want to change the profile picture. When YouTube opens, click on the option located at the bottom right called You. This will open a page with some information about your channel. From all the options on this page, you need the one located next to your name at the top of the page called View Channel. Click on this option and it will open your YouTube channel page. When your YouTube channel page opens, click on the pencil icon located to the right of the Manage Videos option. Clicking on the pencil icon will open a page with some options you can change. At the top of this page, you will see your current profile picture. Click on it. After clicking, you'll be asked if you want to choose a picture from your gallery or take a new one now. If you want to choose from your gallery, click on the Choose from Your Photos option. This will open a page showing all your pictures. Find the picture you want to use as your profile picture. Once you find the picture, click on it, and a page will open for you to select which part of the picture you want to use as your profile picture. After selecting, click on the Save option in the top right corner. When you click Save, you have successfully changed your profile picture. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.